are in the final session of tempered glass mixed media mosaics, and everybody's doing their grouting today. We've custom tinted all the grouts with tinsel and powdered colorant, so some people are working with orange and turquoise and terracotta. Lisa's working in black because she likes it to be dramatic. Karen, once again, in black. Lots of drama on this one. I can't wait to see it cleaned up. Sweet Roberta came to us all the way from Texas to join us for this class, and she's got purple grout and turquoise grout with a series of, what are these striped animals anyway?
Well, they could be zebras.
Zebras! Okay, there's zebras. Caitlin's finished hers up with some chocolate grout. Robin's finished with hers, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I can hardly stand it with the purples and the turquoises together. It's beautiful. And she's grouting a bird bath that's from a previous class. Susan, look how beautiful that is. And I'm getting a lot of glare on it, unfortunately, so it doesn't show how... Oh, that's better. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love the butterflies. Miss Caitlin's working with dental tools, getting any imperfections out of it, so it's absolutely perfect when she's finished. So you guys are awesome. Thank you very much, and I will post pictures on Facebook when they're all cleaned up and looking absolutely beautiful. This way you can see Lisa's.